Hello, creators and editors. Today, we are stepping onto the timeline to master the absolute final phase of your production. We are going to explore how to finish your editing seamlessly, efficiently, and professionally using the incredible power of adverbs of manner. Every choice you make at the end of a project determines how your audience feels, and today, you will learn to execute those choices flawlessly. When you look at your timeline, the final cuts must never feel accidental. If your scene transitions abruptly, your audience will feel jarred. But if you layer your cuts smoothly, the story flows like water. Adverbs of manner describe the exact way these edits take place. They provide the intent behind your actions. As an editor, you aren't just cutting footage. You are arranging elements intentionally and artfully. Let's look at transitions. In Clipchamp, adding a transition is simple, but choosing the right one requires deep thought. If a scene changes instantly, it creates a high-energy, fast-paced rhythm. If you slide a crossfade between clips softly, you invite a reflective, calm emotion. You must choose adverbs that match your narrative. Never apply effects carelessly. Every transition should serve a structural purpose. Next is a layer of sound. Sound design must be balanced impeccably. Your background tracks should not sit loudly over a speaking voice. Instead, duck the audio track deftly so the voice remains clear. Clipchamp allows you to adjust volume parameters with incredible precision. When your voiceover and music work cohesively, the professional value of your final export skyrockets. Finally, we arrive at the most vital step for modern short videos: captions. Audiences read content on the go. You want your text to appear boldly on the screen. Clipchamp's auto-captions generate real-time subtitles accurately and effortlessly. Once generated, look closely at the text properties panel. Choose contrasting colors like a bright yellow or a stark white, so your words contrast sharply against the background imagery. When you combine smooth pacing, balanced audio, and striking captions, you finish your video exquisitely. Hit that export button confidently, review your 1080p final render proudly, and share your story with the world. Thank you for tuning into this editing masterclass. Go edit your next masterpiece brilliantly.